So now what we'll do is we'll take a look at the next piece of evidence. So the next piece of evidence begins here. According to David M. Chavez, Principal Associate and CEO of Community Science, and is internationally recognized for his work, and Kian Lee, Vice President and Principal Associate of Community Science and 15 years of experience with communities, communities need to build trust, belonging, safety, and caring for each other in order to help others. Oofda, that is a pretty long sentence. And so if I take a look at this sentence, I say to myself, geez, what takes so long? And you'll notice that it's actually the building of credibility. So everything I'm underlining right here, all of that is credibility building. So, and of course, when you provide, when you use evidence from a source, you want to make sure that you provide credibility so that your audience knows why should they listen to it. The problem here is that the credibility is overwhelming the actual evidence itself. So it seems like the focus is more on your source rather than the information your source is providing. So this needs to be cut down. And I saw this quite a bit with our own students and their building of credibility, particularly with article number 1, that a lot of us had these really long statements of credibility. But there are multiple ways to build credibility within sources. So what your job is going to be is that you are going to develop, what you're going to do is you're going to rewrite this sentence. Everything in that's highlighted in green in this black box, you're going to rewrite that sentence so that the credibility doesn't overwhelm the sentence. And instead, what you're going to do is you are going to shorten this sentence, but you're also going to make sure that credibility is still established if necessary, or if you need to cite this a different way. So, in the space provided below, make sure that you reword this paragraph, or excuse me, this sentence highlighted in green to articulate how to better integrate credibility or to make sure that the source attribution doesn't overwhelm the sentence.